2 simple recipes for salmon dishes at home, like in an Italian restaurant. Today our kitchen has 2 easy-to-make recipes for salmon dishes that you can try at home, inspired by Italian flavors. First recipe. 1. Lemon and herb grilled salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, zest of 1 lemon, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, fresh chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Mix olive oil, minced garlic, oregano, thyme, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a small bowl to create a marinade. Place salmon fillets in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them. Ensure the fillets are well coated. Let it marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. Grill the salmon fillets for about 4 to 5 minutes per side or until they are cooked to your liking. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Serve with a side of roasted vegetables or a salad. Second recipe. Creamy garlic parmesan baked salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon parsley, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix together grated Parmesan, mayonnaise, minced garlic, dried basil, dried parsley, salt, and pepper to create a creamy mixture. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spread the creamy mixture over the top of each salmon fillet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the top is golden brown. Serve with lemon wedges on the side. This dish pairs well with pasta or steamed vegetables. Enjoy these delicious and easy-to-make Italian-inspired salmon dishes at home. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for being a part of Afsan Farm Media Production Channel.